nice to be up close and personal and talking with these young people.
The people that sat at the table with me are hungry for knowledge. They want to know more.
I thought it was quite engaging. I had some really interesting conversations and I met some very exciting people.
Once you get a level, you might talk what's the next step, what's the next stage.
Well, I'll say, it's really about identifying what you're passionate about and going for it. Don't be scared. Fear is the enemy.
If I am dense, if I do not know much about the world, if I'm not a leader of the thought, then what then should I express?
The most important thing for me would be that people remain confident. I think it's important for you to trust your instincts, to believe in yourself.
So I think this is an amazing initiative. I think we need to have more of this, and there's nothing like that one-on-one synergy.